Hi, super learners. If you're preparing for your exam, then this question is for you. The sum of 5,000 is invested at 10% per annum for 2 years. Find the simple interest solution. Let's use our formula for finding simple interest. We have price times rate times time over 100. This is the formula. So from our question, the price there is 5,000 times 10% for 2 years, which is the time over 100. So 5,000 times 10 times 2 is 20 over 100. This cancels, this cancels, this. So we'll be having 50. 50 times 20, which is 1,000. So this is a simple interest. It's very easy, right? For grade 5 and grade 6, if you're preparing for your exam, you must know the formula to find the area of rectangle, area of triangle, perimeter of rectangle, perimeter of a square. Make sure you know those formulas. So on the board, we have the rectangle has length of 12 cm and the width of 8 cm. You're asked to find the area. So this is a rectangle and the length is 12 cm, while the width is what? 12 cm. Now, what is the formula to find solution? Formula to find the area of a rectangle is simply length times breadth. So from our question, the length is 12 and the breadth is what? 8. Now, 12 times 8 is 96. And since it's area, you write your unit in centimeter squared. Easy, very easy. If you're asked to find the perimeter of a rectangle measuring 15 cm by 9 cm, this is 15 cm, this is a rectangle, and here is 9 cm. You simply go ahead. The formula to find perimeter is 2 brackets length plus breadth. So this is 2. The length, which is the bigger side, is 15 plus the breadth, which is 9. So 15 plus 9 is 24. 2 times 24 is 48. And you add the units. This is your answer. This is a very simple question, okay? But if you don't know the formula, you get the wrong answer. The base of a triangle is 10 cm and the height is 6 cm. Find the area. So, solution. The formula to find area of a triangle is simply half times base times height. Please take note of this formula. So the base, like we're given, is 10. The height is 6. So we have 10 times 6 is 60. So half of 60 will give us 30. And because it's area, our answer will be in centimeter squared. Very simple. Yeah. This question has to do with time, okay? A journey started at 8:15 and ended at 11:45. How long did it last? I hope you know how to read your time 24 hourly. So let's solve this. Solution. The journey started at 8:15 and ended at 11:45. So we're going to be subtracting this from this. So what you just do is you say 11:45 a.m. minus 8:15, okay, a.m. So this take away this is 0, this take away this is 3, 11 take away 8 is 3. So if you check, this is 3 hours 30 minutes. So the time, how long it lasted for 3 hours 30 minutes. This is your answer.